And what are the different ways to fulfill orders sold on Amazon?
Yeah, so Scarborough is absolutely able to handle Amazon, and through every one of Scarborough's warehouses that we have, we take a client's goods to market directly to Amazon. The first method is kind of outlined in the slide above is Amazon FBA, which is fulfillment by Amazon. So you would have, as a seller, you would have a page directly on Amazon, which you set a certain amount of goods to be held in varying different Amazon DCs. So in case people out there don't know, domestically, there are 102 different Amazon DCs. Amazon FBA, based on your commodity, there are generally about 43 DCs in the United States that handle FBA specifically. So FBA being fulfillment by Amazon, when you're sending there, you're basically sending a replenishment PO to Amazon of a good for them to sell for you. So your 3PL would be housing your goods in bulk, and Amazon would send you a replenishment PO that says, we need this many goods of this particular part number to be sent this week, this month, this, whatever the case, directly to Amazon, and this is the warehouse that we want it to go. This is how we want the pallets to be structured, because Amazon will get as specific as saying we may want these two products shipped together, or we may want none of the products shipped together and we want all of them separate. So then for FBA, generally Amazon would handle the transportation. You provide them the weight and dims of the pallets that you set up. You put on their shipping labels and receiving labels for them, and they set up the trucking and send you the bill of ladings and say, this is the day that it's picking up, this is the carrier, these are the POs that we want in this truck. It might all ship together on one truck, or it may ship in 10 different trucks. You just never know what specifically Amazon is going to say. Or additionally, Amazon might tell you, this isn't going to ship LTL, put these small parcel labels on it and send it to us that way. So it just depends. Amazon Seller Fulfilled Prime. This is where you're looking at, kind of the e-commerce portion of the business, where we're saying your orders are coming in, you're hosting your products on Amazon's site, taking advantage of the widespread, kind of Amazon scope that gets all of these different people visibility of your product. And then the 3PL is doing the actual fulfillment of the product directly to the end user. So essentially what we're doing in that case is we're taking direct, real customer orders directly to that end user. We're holding your inventory, and then we're going out there, picking the inventory, putting a small parcel label on it, and sending it as if we were Amazon directly to the end user. The final one, Amazon Vendor Central. So Amazon and the majority of your inventory is stored at the 3PL. When the inventory runs low, Amazon will send in a PO, and the 3PL picks and sends in just more of the inventory directly to Amazon, which goes directly to an end user. So that's part of the whole PO management process. Generally, in that case, Amazon has a third and very different set of specifications which they require to be met. For these vendor POs, as a vendor, you typically, or a seller on Amazon, you typically have more control over the shipping method, and that's where you can kind of utilize the 3PL's ability to, and relationships with various different shipping channels, to find the most cost-effective method to get your product to where Amazon is telling you to send it.